So just go walk through a paper, then so that's it. So it's a nuanced hobby. So it's building what? Models using plastic blocks. So I'm going to ask you to do some. I'm going to explain what you have to do for you. Then, we move on from there. So apologies that we have to join it because there's some of the staffs who actually were on leave. And some of them were not really aware of it. That's the reason why. So Noah has opened a new model, build a set. Inside the large bag of colored blocks. What percentage of the blocks are red? The first thing you do is this. Can you add all of them together, please? You add all of them together. So it's good what 75. So can you just add all of them together, please? Let me see. So we can be doing it together. So that's what's the percentage of red? Red is what 276. So it's good about 276 divided by 600 times 100. So 276 divided by 600, that gives you what? 0.46 times 100. That gives you 46%. That's it. So if I ask you to find percentage of green, can you see? What percentage of the blocks actually was green? Can you work that one out? What percentage of the balls are green? So it's going to be like, let's say actually was green. That gives you what? 50 over 60 over 600, sorry, times what? Times 100. Then that's going to do like 80, 50, 600. So it's going to be like what? 8.3%. You get that? Is that what you got?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now let's move on to the next one. Just want to be doing it, with together. So that's almost probably that Noah picks what 2 small boxes. It picks what 2 small boxes. So this is 2 small blocks. So can you see this is it? 2 small. Can you see? Is this one? So the chance is going to be what? 1 out of total. That is going to be 1 out of 9. It's okay. Can you see? Because what 2 small is just this. And there's only 1 small. There's only what? Small 1 out of 9. Can I ask you a question, please? What if I read that it picked at least 1 large? That it picked at least 1 large. It picked at least 1 large. So when you say at least 1, I'm going to ask you now. So at least 1 large. This 1 large. There's at least 1 large here, 1 large here, 1 large here, 1 large here, another large here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's go what? 5 over 9. Can you see? at least one large. Is that what you got? Is that what you got?
No.
Okay. Can you give me what's probably that it's going to take at least one small? At least one small. At least one small. What's probably that is going to be at least one small?
5/9.
5/9. Thank you. So that's how I should do that one. So this one too, you must be able to actually draw the plane. The plane views are like how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, 4, 5, 4. So you have to draw the plane view. This one is going to be you see, that's the plane view that right there. So look at this question. I said that a statue is 20 meters high and 54 meters wide from A to B. Now ask you that the Genoa is making a scale model of this statue. Genoa model statue is what? Is 5 centimeters what? You see that how wide do you think? So if it's 5 centimeters high, can you see? This one is meters. So what does do basically is this? It's 5 meters high. So you have to make sure you convert them to the same thing. 20 meters equals to what? 2,000 centimeters. Can you see? 20 meters equals to 2,000 centimeters. And you want to now divide that one by 5. So it's going to be what? 400. So ratio is what? 1/400. Now they ask you that how wide do you think it will be? How wide will it be? Just divide just do 5,400 divided by 400. That's it. Divided by 400, 5,400 divided by 400. So 5,400. That's going to be 13.5. That's it. You can put that one down. So now, the Noah is making a circular train track. He has some curved surface pieces of track. So when he puts them together, the curved pieces will make a circular track, which has the diameter of this. So now ask you that the outside is this. Hello. How many curved pieces does Noah need to make? So this is what you have to do. You have to do this one yourself. So that to do basically is this. You have to find the length of those curved pieces. So it's going to be what? 3. Pi is 3.14 times 1,600. Okay? Because there are how many distances are there? 157 represents one of them. So this is what you have to do. When you multiply that, you just do that one divided by 157. That's the answer. Can you try that one, please? Try and divide it. So looking at this, that one gives you what? You multiply the top one, that gives you 5,000. It gives you 5,024. As well as 5,024. Now divide that one by 157. That gives you 32. You get 32?
No, is it 3.14 times by 1,000? What's that number?
By 1,600 because that's diameter.
1,000. Okay.
Okay, that's diameter. So, you thought it was 1,000, eh? You thought it was 1,000, or that is diameter, because the question shows that. I can show you the question now here directly. You can see that what is 1,600. I'm just being slow today slightly because you are the only one here, so I don't want to be, so that those that did not attend, that joined earlier, that would meet us in class, they will not, they will not miss much. Though you still have a level of recording, but just to make sure that they're okay. So. So, let's check this one now. So you say that you use that to estimate the price of stuff containing what? 3,500 blocks. So you draw a line of best fit. That one must pass through the middle. That's going to estimate what? 3,500. So 3,500 is going to be. So that is, so if you trace it down, if you trace it there, it's going to be 180. It'll be 180 there. And you see that? So it's just a line of best fit. So the answer might not be 180 directly, it just might be, more than or less than 180, in between those things. So, can you estimate? Try and look at this one now. Let's estimate. I want to see maybe you can actually have a go on this. Can you try this one? Estimate the median. This is the final one. So, estimate the median. Median is the middle number when they actually arrange in order. It's okay. Median is the middle number when this is actually arranged in order. It's okay. So, what does this is? You have to arrange them. The middle number when they actually arranged in order. So that's this part now. So that's arrange it in order. The smallest is going to be 2.7, followed by 2.9, followed by 3.5, followed by 4.5, followed by 7.4, followed by 9.0. So that gives you 3.5 plus 4.5 divided by 2. That gives you 8 divided by 2. That gives you 4. So that the bundle weight is this. So you have to divide 3,120 divided by 4. That gives you 180. 780, sorry. Do you get any of these answers?
No.
Okay, so when you say median means what? You arrange it in order from the smallest to the highest. Then you now pick the ones in the middle. If you have one number in the middle, that is the one you pick. But if you have two numbers in the middle, like I have in this question, I will add the two numbers together divided by 2. Okay? If you have one number in the middle, that is going to answer. If you have two numbers in the middle, you have to add them together divided by what? By 2. It's okay. That's how that will do it. So apologies today that it's like a very mini class because somebody that was meant to schedule the class is on leave, So we have to just scamper around and make sure we actually what gets across to you. The recording still is going to be available so that you can be able to actually watch it. But when do you think you can do your exam?
I'm not sure.
Let me just I want to stop the recording. Sorry, I want to be off camera.
Is there any more website to practice more? Because we're just doing